My name is Lerato Pukane. I am 30 years old. I am from Ramashamtane, that is in Beresford. I am the director for Agata Lonia Chemicals. It is situated in Beresford, Sekhukhune district in Limpopo. I started Agata Lonia Chemicals in 2018. The reason why I started Agata Lonia Chemicals was I saw a gap in my community whereby there were no supplies for cleaning material, and I wanted to fill that gap. In the beginning, when I started the company, I used to stock from other companies and resell them in my shop. But I had a challenge whereby I had complaints from people whereby they would come and say this is not working, and then it raised a concern on my side because I could not control how the products are being manufactured. That's where the interest began. And then I started to find out, make a research, and then I got connected to the people who are making this. Then I just applied for training, they did train me, and then I started to produce my own, and my customers are happy. When I started the business in 2018, I used my own savings. I did not get any funding from anywhere. And my father lended me 10,000 rand, I think 2 years later, when I was struggling to keep up with the business. My husband joined me, I think 2 years later. My company produces pine gel, tile cleaner, dishwashing liquids. Also produce Agata multi-purpose cleaner, of which is our top selling product. I did not know how to run a company. I had no proper system working. I had no guidance. So I went to Seda just so they can advise me on how I can grow my business. And I met Mr. Rodney. He advised me on how to get things proper in my business, especially with regarding to how to manage my accounts, my accounting, my books, records, and how to do the costings and expenses, and how to pay employees and getting things registered, because remember, my products were not registered, were not tested. He did help me with getting my brand to be tested so that they can be SABS approved and certified, until whereby the company grew and I had to recruit people to come and join in. And now I have about 21 employees. In the shop, I have about 5 employees that are working from 8 to 5. And at the factory, I have 8 that are working in day shift, and I have 8 that are working in night shift, and I have a driver as well. And I also call in some temporaries if we need more hands. I think I have 3 on standby. Seda helped me with a system that I can use to manage the business, especially with finances and accounting, bookkeeping, and records. During the coronavirus pandemic in 2020, the first lockdown, it was very difficult for everyone. The business nearly collapsed because we closed down and we did not receive any sales. We could not pay any rent. So when they first opened, they told us that we are under essential, so we had to sell sanitizers and all hygiene products. So that's where my company started to pick up. Agata is hope for the hopeless. When I talk about a hope for the hopeless, is that the brand is to empower people who are not working, people who are looking for side hustles. So we have people who are joining us. We have a mission that we call it to eradicate debt and poverty all in one product. So our product is to empower people who are not working. We supply them with a box. In a box, it's 12 bottles. So when you sell a box, you get it in a discount price so that you are able to sell and get a commission and make a living out of it. So we want people and we encourage people to come and join us. We've already secured people from all over South Africa and even countries outside. They're wanting to come in and join us into this movement. So they join us on www.yahona.co.za, or they call us at 013 170 5506, or they can follow us on our social media platforms. We have Yahwana Family Members Group on Facebook, and we also have Yahwana Multipurpose Cleaner on Facebook. Join us in the movement of eradicating debt and poverty, all in one product. #Yahona.